Oh, hello guys, this is Sadi Chendo. So today we're gonna discuss about an important topic called LSTM. So which is long short-term memory, or like we will be calling it as LSTMs. So normally, this is an important uh, model to find the stock markets and to judge the predictions of overall market, and it will helpful for the business for the top MNC companies like Apple, Samsung, etc. So to find that, this is like a traditional neural network. So for this network, so we gonna I have taken the Apple data. So which is so this is all some of the few companies data in which about the stock markets. So how it's the volume, so whether it is low or high. So in this data I have taken only Apple model, like which is AAPL, which refers to Apple. So I have taken these parameters, of course batch size at 32, so which will suit this model. So to predict the best model, so I used these parameters, and I have used the random seed size as 7. So for this we're gonna make some limitations, and we're gonna fit out the data uh, to extract the information regarding to the Apple company. So if you can see, I have taken the stock prices of the Apple, and I have made a train size and test size, like as usual we have done in ICP 10 and ICP 11. So I have extracted the train size and the test size to predict the model accuracy. So after making the plot, so we can see the recurrent neural networks. So originally it like they were designed to handle some of the shortcomings, which is traditional, which is useful for traditional data sets. So this is the traditional data sets where like we have the data with the like we have the dates and the stock price, so whether it is profitable or not. In this ICP, the main agenda is to find the best prediction. So if we train the model, so whether we are getting the expected results or not. So like that model is very important here. So we need to design a model such that it need to be predicted good results. So it should match with the actual and best results. So for this, like I have created a model which is having LSTM, of 4 and input shape and all those things. And so we have dense as well as already seen in last APIs. And I have used optimizer as well for getting the inputs. And so this is how the like we need to change few parameters, and we need to reshape few parameters to make the graph plotted in such a way. So here you can see this is the train predict data. So the blue graph refers to the train predict plot of the Apple stock prices, and the red and green graph refers to test predict plot between the of the Apple stock prices. So this is how this ICP works. So please refer my wiki for in detail information. Okay, thank you.